This is just a little revisit of the 2019 OxBox 3-ton air conditioner at the clubhouse, which replaced one of the ICPs this past fall. This is a 14-SEER unit with a cope and scroll compressor and R410A refrigerant. It might be an Emerson. Haven't taken a good look yet. And there are the other two units down there. Got to start with one of those last summer. Now I think this does one of the office rooms, because I saw a thermostat right behind that door, and I'm pretty sure that's what this unit does. Though the room is pretty small, and this is a 3-ton system, and I don't think 36,000 BTUs are required to cool a room of that size. Valves are still gold for the most part. There's a better look at the data sheet. So yeah, I'll definitely get it running during the cooling season. See you on the next one.